Hola, my name is Alexis, and I'm going to make it rain. And this is Dracy, and I'm gonna make it thunderstorm right now.
Yes! Thunderstorm like you never had before.
Let's make it rain really hard and flood the screen out.
Bam.
You just got burned.
No,
Now we're gonna FaceTime my friend again.
My face is going away. No!
Who cares about it?
My face is gone!
You're back.
Oh, yeah. You're blocking my face.
Jesus.
Girls. Ooh, I'm on stage.
I'm in Paris. It's gonna take my nose. Hold on.
Oh, they did that to me on Marcelo's computer.
I can't see you again.
Make me have bug eyes.
Yeah, you're kind of like yeah. You're all froze though.
Okay.
Oh, I can see you. Oh. Hi, I want bug eyes again. We're on Joyce's webcam. Hold on. Look. We're on the webcam. We're gonna make it rain. Hold on. Let's make it rain.
Yeah, wrong one. Oh, okay.
Thunderstorming now. I just made it rain outside. What are you doing? What are you doing? I like this one.
Sitting in my bed. Sitting on my bed.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
What else have you been doing?
Ghost.
Ooh.